Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate and I'm back with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you have to launch a Spotify app on your device. Once you're on your homepage, now in order to turn on the shuffle, you have to go to any playlist. Suppose I'm going with this one right here, and once you're on your playlist, you will see a shuffle icon that is two arrow pointing towards the screen. You will find that near the play option that is in green color. So once you tap on there, but before that you have to make sure that you have a premium subscription on Spotify. If you don't have a premium subscription, you will not be able to have access to that features. If you have a premium subscription, once you tap on there, it will turn off and the color of green will be changed, and then you will be able to turn off the shuffle. And if you want to turn that on again, simply tap on that again and you will change to green. So that is how you can simply turn off or turn on the shuffle on Spotify. I hope this tutorial will help you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching. I will see you on next tutorial.